Hello again, everybody. Now, if you have some figures and you want to put it in a table of figures, so first of all, we'll put the figures. For example, this is a figure, and this is a second one and third one. So, first of all, you select the figure and say, click here in the references, insert caption, and write a caption that you want to write. Figure 1. This is a Mercedes car, and click OK. Figure 1. Here, Mercedes. Adjust the position. Go to the second one. Select the image. Insert caption. Figure 2. Type what you want. Adjust the position. Go to the third one. Insert caption. This is a Lamborghini. Lambo. It is adjusted. After that, you will go to the position that you want to put the table of figures. For example, I want it to be here. Okay. Now we will see here, insert table of figures. Print preview. This is a web preview. This is a print one. This is the one that will appear for you. Click OK. That's all. Table of figures. These are the figures. You could change the font size. Not this one. You can change the font size and the font theme from here. That's all. Thank you very much.